second. We came together, but you know, we've had about 8 hours of practice. We got together on Monday night and started practicing some of these songs. And we promise you, you're gonna have good fun. Can't promise you it's gonna be good, but it's gonna be good fun anywhere around it.
Hey, you know what I'm saying?
But I'm gonna take a second. Let me introduce y'all to a few people. Out here, your national anthem singer, Alana. Yeah, we love her. She got it going. On the acoustic, you got Boyd. On the bass, Matt. Back here on the drums, we got Mr. Roos. Hey, don't forget about our front man. You got Dwayne. On the soundboard, you know, it takes a little bit of help. We got Master Sergeant Neil and Gary working the sound for us today. We appreciate their help. Y'all need no liar.
Hey. Yeah, appreciate it, Chief. How many of y'all, man, this something make y'all just don't want to do nothing? Like, I mean, I came out here to practice today. I was like, look, man, I'm going to just get my umbrella and my chair and my water. I ain't singing today. They said, now you need to get up here and do your thing. I was like, well, can we at least do this song right here so I can express how I feel? So this next song is going to express how